Shout out to be going sick, as we needed in pick that team. And I said, girls, I'm figuring that out for myself. All I know is that it ain't about work. Where you lost my big team is shouting up when your Facebook features about who's getting married tomorrow. Back there, the truth that is simple. Mortgages, bridesmaids, and baby trouble. But that's the guys, really pointy, big he lemonade. But he the carry and then it's like, girl, you gotta pursue, because sadly, they will consistently doubt you, madam. You stood in front of egg French crowds, not even one of whose missiles not out loud. Like taking those experiences into your stride, where the negativity like badges of pride that will fuel your creative and yet inside. Wait till there's a connection and smile. You will see that this is really worthwhile. Now I'm a day along to guys with style. I'm a day along to guys.